All right, today's workout is going to be Isabel, 30 snatches for time. If you've never done Isabel, which is going to be at the weight at 135.95, I recommend you go ahead and tackle that benchmark workout. But if you are somebody who has done that and you'd like to go ahead and go into the semifinals world, we can go ahead and go into heavy Isabel. Now, heavy Isabel for our age groups are going to be a wide range of weights. So you can go ahead and take a look at those notes so they can see what group that you're in. It starts off with the 35 to 39 group, and that's going to be a 215, 145 weight. That's pretty hefty. So that's heavy Isabel. All right, and then as we go down from each division, it changes. So pay attention to that because unlike the rest of the workouts, that age group weight requirement is going to be less as we get higher up into it. But again, we don't have to do a heavy Isabel. All right, maybe regular benchmark workout Isabel is something that you've never done before or you haven't done it in a couple years. And so maybe you want to go ahead and go for a PR. That is something that you can do. All right, so there's a lot of options here for this workout. So I don't want you to go ahead and think that you have to make it heavy. You can go ahead and keep it on the lighter side and go a little bit faster, both for which are going to be challenging in its own right. So keep that in mind as you're moving through these 30 snatches. The snatches can be a power, it can be a squat, it can be a combination of both. And we're definitely going to just be leaning into your strength. But we want to make sure that whether we are squatting or powering, they are going to resemble the same. They don't change. The movement is the same. A squat snatch is a failed power snatch, all right, if you're doing it correctly. So keep that in mind as you move through this. Isabel is a benchmark workout. So again, if you've never done the benchmark workout, let's hit that first. And then if you've done it many times and you want to get a tackle this heavy Isabel, go ahead and do that too.